In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Tag Manager to Google Ads. By the end, you'll have your conversion tracking set up so your campaigns can measure the actions that matter. Start by opening your Google Ads account. From here, look for Goals. This is where Google Ads manages your conversion actions. Click Goals, then click Summary to see the full list. Select the specific goal you want to track. This should be the conversion action that aligns with your business objective, like a purchase, a lead form submission, or a sign-up. When you open that goal, you'll see its details. What you need here are the conversion ID and the conversion label. These two values uniquely identify the conversion in Google Ads. Copy them carefully and keep this tab open or paste them somewhere safe for a moment. It's important to get these exactly right so the tag reports to the correct conversion. Next, go to Google Tag Manager. In your container workspace, click Tags, then click New to create a fresh tag. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, then click Tag Configuration. In the gallery of tag types, click Google Ads and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. This is the tag designed to send conversion events back to Google Ads. Now fill all required fields. Paste the conversion ID and conversion label you just copied from Google Ads directly into the matching fields in Tag Manager. If your conversion uses a value or currency, you'll see those options here as well. Set them according to how you defined the conversion in Google Ads. You'll also need to choose when this tag should fire by selecting a trigger. Typically, this is the page or event that represents a successful conversion, such as a thank you page load or a form submission you already track in Tag Manager. Choosing the right trigger ensures the conversion only records at the moment that matters. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your new tag will now appear in your tags list, ready to send data to the exact goal you selected in Google Ads via the conversion ID and conversion label you provided. That's it. You've linked Google Tag Manager to Google Ads for this conversion action. Keep your notes on which goal you selected and the tag name you created so you can manage and scale your tracking consistently across campaigns. Thanks for watching and great job tightening up your measurement.